there, gamers! Ugh, I know that feeling. But don't worry, today we're going to tackle this annoying problem together and get you back to your game. This error is a common issue that typically occurs in Windows when there is a problem with the graphics device or driver, often related to DirectX. It indicates that the device has failed due to a badly formed command. But let me tell you, you don't have to stay stuck like that. Alright, let's jump into how we can fix this. Here are some easy steps. Trust me, they work wonders. 1. Update your drivers. First up, let's make sure your drivers are up to date. You can use a tool like Driver Booster to update not just your graphics card, but all your drivers at once. Don't forget about Microsoft DirectX. Keeping DirectX updated is crucial. This is super important because outdated drivers can lead to all sorts of issues, including that pesky error. 2. Check for Windows updates. Next, check for Windows updates. Sometimes Microsoft releases updates that can help improve compatibility and performance, so it's a good idea to stay current. 3. Adjust game properties. Now, if you need to lower the graphics settings, do this from the game's properties instead of opening the game. Setting a lower resolution directly from the properties can help prevent that error from occurring. 4. Change your graphics card. Finally, if you're still facing issues, it might be time to consider changing your graphics card. If your system is running on low-spec hardware, it could be struggling to keep up with modern games. Investing in a better video card can make a world of difference. So, if this video helped you out, give subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Let's keep our gaming lives fun and frustration-free.